Well, there is more fallout tonight from a lawsuit against the University of Tennessee claiming Peyton Manning was one of many athletes involved in sexual harassment. The allegations are 20 years old and they are dragging the Broncos quarterback back into the headlines again.
And new at 10 o'clock, KRDO News Channel 13's Greg Miller explains if Manning's popularity will take a hit by this latest development.
Well, James and Heather, this is it. 64 pages against the university filed for claims made in 1997 when Manning played there. It's another mark within what's been a tough few months for the quarterback. Broncos fans say they are standing united behind him.
Miller, Osweiler, those jerseys are still available, but Manning, not so much. A sign the star quarterback is still pretty popular.
And then playoffs hit, and they sort of come right off the shelves, and now we're sold out.
Fans admit it's been a rough few months for him.
I think Peyton Manning's built a legacy in the NFL, and it's clear to the fans that come here every day that they have his support no matter what.
From injuries to allegations involving HGH.
Have you ever used HGH or any performance-enhancing drug?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
And now an alleged incident 2 decades old being brought up again.
Even if it's 20 years old, even if he was in college, I still think it resonates in large part because of the image that he has created for himself.
The claim alleges Manning sexually harassed athletic trainer Jamie Nowright at the University of Tennessee, claiming the school as a whole created a hostile environment when reporting sexual violence. That case in the 90s was eventually settled with a non-disclosure agreement out of court, but it's being brought again now as part of a bigger case against the University of Tennessee.
He's not a named defendant in this case.
Attorney Mike McDivitt says the broader focus will likely shift to the university eventually.
The plaintiffs must show that the University of Tennessee deliberately created a hostile sexual environment by failing to act when actions and complaints have been filed in the past.
And if these sales are any indication,
we're still proud to be a fan of his.
Fans will likely stick with Manning.
And neither Manning, Nowright, nor the University of Tennessee will respond to any request for interview on the issue. In studio, Greg Miller, KRDO News Channel 13.